Hi writers, welcome to your week 4. This is week 4 of the condensed semester, but we're actually in week 7 of the longer semester. So welcome to a dual reality of week 4 and week 7. So this video is just going to go over what's happening week 4. It's crunch time. This is time for you to engage in your not only your critical thinking skills, but your time management skills. There's so much work to do just because we are condensed. It's very important that you pace yourself and take breaks when you need it. There's 2 discussions this week, and then we have a short story wrap-up, just as a reminder of your quiz and your journal and your essay number 1, your analysis of a short story, or your compare and contrast, whichever you pick. The first discussion is on workshopping essay number 1. We have the prompt here. It goes over what the actual prompt is. You're going to read over the prompt above and start brainstorming, coming up with some ideas, give each other some feedback. There's already people posting. This is to kind of do your shitty first draft together out loud to kind of hash out some ideas. You can watch that video if you want to go over the prompt specifically. The next discussion is an actual sample essay workshop where you can see 2 student samples of what essay number 1 looks like or can look like. Remember, these are just examples. There's lots of ways to the mountaintop. The important thing with essay number 1 is that you choose a prompt and a short story or more than one short story that inspire you and excite you and getting you want to write. That's really important. So we have a couple samples here. So you're going to look at the sample essays. You're going to take notes in your journal. What you see happening. By this I mean what's working in the essay, what makes it flow. There's questions there to help guide you. When you post to the discussion, you're going to choose just one of these 2 essays and you're going to talk about it in 3 paragraphs. So you can look at the directions for that. Again, you're going to post it here. It's really to give you confidence and a stronger sense of what I'm looking for, what you're being asked to do. You can see concrete examples of how to do that. And so you can look at the formatting and the citing and all that stuff. Remember, you have your little Seagull handbook, and you can also get all that information for MLA citing for free online. So again, that's what's happening this week. We also have the short story wrap-up. It's a discussion, but it's not worth points. It's just a reminder of what's due. The journal log, the quiz, and the essay, all by the end of the week. So this is a lot. Make sure you pace yourself. Give yourself, different days to do these things if you have that flexibility in your schedule. Any questions or comments or concerns can go here to the link to our number 1 discussion, which is questions, concerns, and comments, or confusions can go here. That is a quick and dirty of week 4. Have a wonderful week, and remember to breathe and enjoy every moment that you experience.